In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. The key thing to know up front is that WhatsApp backups stored in Google Drive aren't meant to be downloaded as regular files. The official and reliable way to get them is to restore through the WhatsApp app itself on Android, using the same Google account and the same phone number that created the backup. Before we begin, make sure your Android device is signed into the exact Google account that holds your WhatsApp backup. On your phone, confirm you're using the right Gmail in your account settings. If you have multiple accounts on the device, switch to the one you used for WhatsApp backups. While you're at it, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, ensure you have enough free storage for your chats and media, and keep your battery charged or plug in so the restore doesn't get interrupted. Next, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone, then reinstall a fresh copy from the Google Play Store. This clean install is important because it forces WhatsApp to look for a backup and prompt you to restore it. Don't worry, removing the app does not delete the backup that's already saved to Google Drive. After installing, open WhatsApp and enter your phone number. It must be the exact same number that was used when the backup was created. Complete the verification by entering the SMS code you receive. If SMS doesn't arrive, you may see an option for a verification call. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once your number is verified, WhatsApp will automatically scan Google Drive for a matching backup. If a backup is found, you'll see a prompt that says backup found, along with the backup date and size. Tap restore to start bringing your messages and media back. Do not tap skip. If you skip here, you won't be able to apply this backup later without uninstalling and repeating the process. If you previously enabled end-to-end encrypted backups, you'll be asked for your backup password or key. Enter it to continue. The restore can take a while depending on the size of your backup and your internet speed. Typically, your messages appear first, and your photos, videos, and voice notes download afterward in the background. Keep the app open, stay on Wi-Fi, and avoid force closing WhatsApp during this time. If WhatsApp says no backup was found, double check that you're on the correct Google account and using the same phone number. Also remember that very old or unused backups may no longer be available. And that's it. Follow these steps, and your WhatsApp chats and media from Google Drive should be restored safely.